are you ready for your new BMW?
Oh yes, we're ready, let's do this.
One!
D-Day. D-Day. I welcome you in the X4 M40i, the winter car, of course. So if you're just tuning in, check out the description below for the playlist of my collection videos of the previous cars, the M2, and after that this, the X4 M40i. So I didn't sleep very good, but that's all because of the excitement of the new car. So you probably saw also the full unboxing video of all the M performance parts. I mean, it's just Control A. It's like everything. Can't wait to show you guys the full spec of the M car. Almost spoiled it. So yeah, for the X4, guys, this, if you ask me how was your experience in like 4 months, 5 months with the X4, well, this is definitely a daily boss. You have enough power, you have 360 horses from the B58 twin-scroll turbocharged inline 6 engine. You have all your luxury, you have your brand new iDrive, you have your digital cockpit. If you're in for an X4, definitely try the M40i engine because it's such a great engine with such a nice soundtrack as well. Back to D-Day, currently on my way to my friend's BMW Amsterdam to collect the new M car. Yesterday I've taped the whole mounting process so the car is finished. Yeah, you know what, let's just fast forward to BMW Amsterdam. Alright guys, car parked. It's time to get inside, find Jesper. Main entrance, we all know this entrance, we've been here before. But first of all, I'm gonna get some coffee. And then... So we probably remember this. This is the M strip. Some M performance stuff. Look at this cover. Hey, we like this. So if you remember this, or check the links below in the description, you remember this spot because here was the M2, and now there's here a dark blue. Neat blue M4 Comp Coupe. Not bad. Some light brown leather. With a black 850 M850i. Black interior. Oh. M5 Comp. All blacked out. Very fresh. And the new 3 Series with all M performance parts, at least a few. Splitter wheels, carbon. 420 coupe.
How are you, man?
Hey, what's up?
Good to see you, man.
Yeah.
Good day, sunny day.
Weather's good, nice lineup again.
Yeah, of course. Always in Amsterdam we have a full lineup of M cars, special cars, M performance cars.
Yeah.
So if you want to see some special cars, yeah, come to us, visit us.
It's the place to be. So I've chosen for now, for the first time ever, a stock car. Because yeah, you had a nice stock car on stock. And we've prepped it, we did some unboxing a few days ago.
Yeah, a stock car has 2 benefits, so you don't have to wait so much long.
Yeah.
And of course on stock cars we can give you a very good offer. So,
yeah, and that's important because for content guys, we can't wait for like 2 or 3 months delivery.
Of course.
Yeah, so let's do this. X7 is huge, eh?
You've driven it in the States or not?
Yeah, for sure. So
Okay.
guys, you want to see the review? Swipe up.
Are you ready for your new BMW?
Oh yes, we're ready, let's do this. The X4. Okay. Excitement levels getting top, Jesper, again. So yeah, thanks X4 for the cool winter period. Awesome car, guys, awesome car. But which one is it? Let's see. This is very long. And this, oh, oh, that's the one.
This is the one.
All right, fully undercover. Facelift, day driving lights, the power dome, the signal for a M car. This is it. Yes, approved. Yes, where is the car? Approved.
Alright.
Well, let's do this, let's reveal this. I'm gonna count down, okay? 3, 2, 1. I'm not gonna look. Oh. M4 competition individual in the color Jubilee Silver metal, guys. Oh. Just look at this. Guys. Oi. And we have motorsport striping all the way from the BMW Motorsport teams. This is the exact livery as Timo Glock also has on his DTM car. All the M performance parts you saw in the unboxing video are mounted, installed. Yes, but this thing is brutal, man.
It's fantastic, man. What a car. Amazing.
I think we've topped the M2 for sure.
For sure, 100%.
Look at the interior. So full carbon spec here. We have the steering wheel and performance with the shift lights. Yeah. This is so aggressive, especially the front look. So these are the canards from the BMW M4 Championship Edition. Very rare, very exclusive. This engine, guys, produces a lot of music. Let's ask Jesper to show the music.
Of course.
He's gonna demonstrate it. All right, hit it. Typical M sound. Wow, you hear that little that metal snarp. Sick, Jesper.
So you think that was loud?
What are you gonna do? Don't break the car. Okay, so that's probably Sport Plus, huh?
That's what.
Just to be sure, this car is before the big filter changes, the WLTP. So this has the proper old school music. Damn, that's loud. It's time. Side skirts. God, I love this color. to get in, guys. So yeah, we have some special individual dark brown leather. Let's get my position well.
I want to wish you a lot of nice kilometers with the car. Please be careful for the first 2,000 kilometers. So we have a running in check.
Ah, just like the M2, I remember this. So this is M car only, yeah?
Yes, of course. So we see you in 2,000 kilometers.
Alright guys, the M4 competition individual color, Jubilee silver metal, insane spec this car. Can't wait to share with you all the content, all the adventures. I'm gonna drive this on Srigasm. We're gonna do a special nice livery with a wrap. Make sure to find my friend from BMW Amsterdam below in the link in the description. And I'll see you definitely on the next video with the M4 competition. Jesper,
enjoy.
Ciao.
Bye.